you are watching this Savera and I am Shudha. A private business jet carrying 8 people crashed during takeoff at Bangalore Airport in the US state of Maine. With no casualties reported, and the Bangalore International Airport said in statement that emergency crews responded to the accident at around 7:45 p.m. 7:45 p.m. Eastern Time and 45 GMT Monday, and the airport has been closed temporarily, news agency reported, citing the source briefed on the accident. Local media reported that the extent of injuries remains unknown. The aircraft involved was identified as a Bombardier Challenger 650 business jet. The cause of the accident was under investigations. The crash occurred as a major snowstorm moved through the northwestern United States, with temperatures in Maine well below freezing, light snow and very low visibility at the time. A massive winter storm in the US has knocked out power over a million, disrupted tens of thousands of flights and left several dead, and dangerous cold and snow swept from the south to the northeast. Official sites. Authorities across dozens of states reported widespread outrage as freezing rain and heavy snow brought down trees and power lines, particularly across the south, and parts of the mid-Atlantic power outage from customers without electricity at peak levels, with Kansas, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas, and Georgia among the hardest hit. The situation has become dire. The customers were powerless as ice crushes trees and utility poles, and the electric service warned that outage could persist for days or longer, with crews facing extreme danger as they access the repair damaged infrastructure. The storm continues to frivolize air travel nationwide into the chaos on the Friday, with over 18,000 cancellations as major airports are forced to halt or severely restrict operations. Airlines have wiped out nearly all flights at the region Washington National, while the other key hubs remain tripped or shut down. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.